Hey everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic gardening day. In today's video, I wanted to show you an update on our pothos living wall that we've been growing over the past few months. We've seen a lot of great growth from this thing, and a lot of these stems, in fact, have grown about a foot, if not more than a foot. So it's starting to fill out this wall quite well, and I'm really loving the way that it's looking so far. In fact, it's grown so much that we've ran out of clips, so we've got to go to the store and pick up some clips to hang up the new growth. I'm going to show you exactly what clips I buy and why I buy them. So if you guys are following along at home, you can do this for yourselves. Alright, some of you guys were asking what fasteners we use for that living wall. So if you go find the fastener section, and then the ones that I prefer and have found to work the best are these command strips. You also want to find the ones that have like that little hook there that you can kind of open up, put the stem into, and that way it'll hold it. Unlike some of these other ones where it's just like a single hook, like that. These ones are really going to work the best for this project. While I was here, it's that time of the season, and they've got amaryllis. So I'm going to get this one here. It's an Amaryllis Desire. I was kind of deciding between that one or the Ferrari, which is the really dark red. But I think we'll go with this one here. Most likely post a care video on this in the future here. And then I'll also show you how to store the bulbs for later use so you can use them over and over again. Alright, so we've got all the new growth hung up. And looking back at this thing, I can see that it's really starting to fill up this space now, especially compared to where it was when we first started. As this grows, we're also going to be clipping on new stem sections in order to fill up the wall and ceiling areas even more than they are now. We'll be adding them as they grow over time. And then I can also place cuttings into this pot in order to grow even more from this single location. So once this thing grows for a long period of time, this wall is really gonna fill up, and I'm super excited for it. I've just been watering this pothos once every 2 weeks, and the only damage we had on this plant was from the original shipping. I knew that getting it over here from our aunt's house was just going to be impossible without any damage. So we've had to deal with that, just cut a couple of vines off and then some leaves here and there, like these empty sections that you see on the wall. But besides that, it's been doing great. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you try this one out at home, and we'll see you in the next video.